I personally like to treat Cascade like a pair programmer, and I ask it to build stuff component by component, just like a real programmer would. So today, we're going to be converting this wrapped landing page design into a real web page using Cascade. So we have our Windsurf open here. We are going to go ahead and add images. The first thing we're going to do is let's implement the grid lines. So we're going to add the image here. All right, so we have something pretty close here. Now moving forward to the step 2, we are going to add some text to this mockup or to this web page. Actually, a very interesting thing here. We have this Figma mockup here, but to make it even more accurate, we go ahead, go to Figma dev mode. We can actually give the exact CSS to Windsurf, so it will make it as pixel perfect as possible. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this CSS and say add the text to the page. So let's see what it did here. All right, that's pretty good. It added the exact CSS styling that we wanted to our elements. And now we have this button that changes colors on hover and everything matches our Figma mockup. All right, moving forward, we are gonna add the vignette in the corner. So the way we're gonna do this is we have the media file in our folder and we're gonna say, I want to add and you can use the @ mention here to specify the exact image you want. I want to add the vignette SVG to each corner of my web page. So as you guys can see here, we have a pretty successful vignette implemented. So for the next step, we are going to implement this repeating SVG pattern background. So we're going to go ask it to do this for us. Let's see what it does. So as you guys can see here, we have something that works, almost. There is vertical spacing between each row. So one thing I like to do with Windsurf is I like to take a screenshot of the exact bug that I'm talking about and then feed that to the model using the image upload feature and then ask it to debug. So we're gonna go ahead, I already uploaded this image and I'm gonna say, there is still vertical spacing between each row. Can you please fix this? Trying to give it as much detail as possible and telling it what I want. Okay, cool. So I just asked Windsurf to correct my vertical spacing. So it made some changes and we're gonna go ahead and see what it did. Oh wow, it actually worked. It looks pretty good. I'm excited to see what you guys build with Windsurf. Try it today.